The Federal Reserve sets the federal funds rate. Banks lend to each other, that's how they regulate. When the Fed raises rates, borrowing slows down. When they cut, money flows all around town. Short-term rates move quick with Fed decisions. Long-term rates, the market makes provisions. 10-year Treasury yields predict the economy. When long rates drop below short, that's inverted, you see?
Interest rates!
Interest rates! The economy's control.
Interest rates!
How money plays its role. The Fed fights inflation when prices rise too fast. Raising rates, cool spending, makes the good times last. Prime rate is 3 points above the Fed's rate. Banks charge their best customers, that's the prime rate. Your credit card, your HEYOC, they all follow prime. When the Fed moves a quarter point, your payments climb. Mortgages follow the 10-year Treasury note, not the Fed funds rate, that's important to note. 30-year fixed rates track long-term bonds. That's why mortgage rates move before the Fed responds.
Interest rates! Interest rates!
The economy's control.
Interest rates!
How money plays its role. The Fed fights inflation when prices rise too fast. Raising rates, cool spending, makes the good times last. Real interest rate equals nominal minus inflation. If rates are 5%, but inflation's 4, that's the equation. 1% real return is what you truly earn. Negative real rates, your savings crash and burn. The yield curve shows rates from short to long. Upward slope is normal, economy strong. Inverted curve, short rates higher than long. Recession warning signal, something's wrong.
Interest rates! Interest rates!
The economy's control.
Interest rates!
How money plays its role. The Fed fights inflation when prices rise too fast. Raising rates, cool spending, makes the good times last. Compound interest, Einstein's eighth wonder. They say $100 monthly, it's 7% a year. In 40 years, that's $500,000 clear. Start at 20, not 30. 10 years makes a gap. A million versus 400, compounds no cap. OMC meets 8 times every year. Federal Open Market Committee, now you're clear. Jerome Powell chairs it, watches every word. Markets move on speeches, have you heard?
Interest rates! Interest rates!
The economy's control.
Interest rates!
How money plays its role. The Fed fights inflation when prices rise too fast. Raising rates, cool spending, makes the good times last. Basis points, 100th of 1%, 25 basis points, quarter point is meant. The Fed moves in quarters, sometimes 50 basis. Emergency cuts, full percentage in crisis.
Interest rates! Interest rates!
Now you understand.
Interest rates!
Your finances in hand. From Fed funds to mortgages, short rates to long. Now you know the system financially strong.